everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to archive items in Instagram. In order to archive items in Instagram, you need to follow these simple steps. So what here you need to do is, in order to archive items in Instagram, you'll need to first thing first open the Instagram application and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you need to go ahead and once you're logged into your account, this is where the interface will take you. So what next you need to do is, here on this field, you simply want to go ahead and tap on the profile initials. From the bottom right corner of your screen, select the particular photo that you wish to archive. Let's say this is the one. Then tap on the three dot icon. Tap the three dot icon and then you have these archive section, right? You simply click on the archive button, confirm it, and this is the way you could archive items in Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.